There you go. There you go.
Tell her just keep waiting, how to tell her we not dating. Happy in some situations, gotta leave my generation overbooked for visitation. Got a lot that's in the making.
Y'all don't know this, we in Florida. We took a trip to Florida to come drop off this bike, you hear me? So she about to try to pop the clutch, y'all. Rev it, ram. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. You gotta rev it. Don't hit it with a roll. Yeah, don't hit it with a roll. Just bang. And sit back on the seat. And just sit back on the seat, just like that. Or you can sit up a little bit. Sit straight.
Oh, damn. I gotta get that thing down, okay.
Once you get that first one, you ain't gonna be scared. So sit straight though. Like yeah, sit straight, just like that. Look, prime.
Damn.
Yeah, you don't want it to roll. And look, do this, hold the clutch. That's where you want it at.
And then pop it.
Yeah. Right there. Yeah. We gonna get her to send us some videos, y'all. Yeah, man. And I'm pretty sure she gonna have it in due time, y'all. In due time, she got her own bike now, so practice, and you gonna get it. The first thing for y'all to learn how to wheelie is get your own bike. You wanna know how to wheelie? Get your own bike. Thanks, huh, bro?
Get your own bike.
Get your own bike.
If you ain't got your own bike, you ain't no real learn.
Thanks. You hear me? I promise you, after you get that, you're gonna learn how to ride more and more, and then you're gonna learn how to wheelie. Keep the wheel straight. Keep the wheel straight. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. You getting like an inch, I ain't gonna lie.
Huh?
You getting like an inch.
I'm trying to keep it control.
Yeah, don't roll it like that. You wanna, you don't want, and then pop it. You wanna, like, yeah, like that. And then pop the clutch. See? Just like that.
And then how do I go with it though? Like how y'all be rolling with it?
That's when you get in the air.
Your balance.
When you get in the air,
That bitch up and down.
yeah, it's gonna be braking. It's gonna be braking throttle. That's how you hold it. Braking throttle. Okay, the wheel coming up. The wheel coming up, but you ain't giving it that much RPM for it to come up.
Come all the way up.
Yeah. Yeah, you got, there you go. Keep coming. Yeah, just watch that pop. The same time you pop that clutch is when you hit that throttle.
Okay.
She rolling, huh?
I need to hold the brake down.
No. Just hold it, don't let that clutch go until you ready to pop it. When you want to go, just let it go. Just like that. Just.
I knew they had a red limiter on there. I knew it was a trigger.
Fuck. That bitch is down.
You rolling that clutch
Damn.
instead of popping it.
Let it go.
Just let it go and give it gas at the same time. Yeah. You see the wheel coming up a little bit, huh? Yeah. But look. Don't roll it. Bam, man. Bang.
Damn.
Go.
Damn, I need something on my finger. That bit hard.
And then you do this like this.
Do it again. You do it. Let Jake do it. Jake.
Jake on that thing right now. It might not pop up because of the grass. Do it sitting down, Jake. Huh? Sit down with it. Yeah, that brake gonna bring you back down. So wait, see how Jake had did when he was standing up and then he sat down on the pop? Do that one more time, Jake. He let you ride it? You sure? Look. Turn around, Jake, turn around. So watch how he's standing up. He gonna be standing up. Watch how he's standing up. As soon as he want to pop the clutch, he gonna sit down, put some weight on the back. Seen that?
Yeah.
Try that. So he's sitting down, and then gonna put weight on the back. Yeah. Well, not when he in the air, really. You hold it all the way over to the right and go down on the gear. See how what made him from coming back?
Yeah, he hit that.
Hit that brake. Yeah. What you got, trucker C? Alright, first thing, put it on first. Alright, bang. Cover the back brakes. Bang. You hear me? And just don't roll it. So stand up on it, just like that. And when you ready to pop that clutch, you're gonna sit down on the back of the bike. You're gonna sit down on the back of the bike. You're gonna sit like that, and then when you're ready to pop it, you're gonna sit down on the back of the bike, on the back of the She a little scared right now, you hear me? I want it there. All right, stop. Hit the front brakes. All right, now, there you go. Now do it. You got it right now. You just scared to pop it. You just scared to pop that clutch.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
I gotta fall first to see how that fall gonna feel.
The fall ain't gonna be none in this grass.
You gotta come down on the bike at the same time as soon as you let it go.
Soon I let it go.
As soon as you let it go.
You popping the clutch too late.
Am I holding the brake too much?
Then we'll turn around too.
Yeah, don't hold the brake until you don't want no brakes right now.
You don't hold the brake till you in the air.
Until you in the air.
You might want to turn around.
I just back up, yeah.
I just back up.
At least you got the reverse down, Pat.
Okay.
You feel me? Yeah, she got the reverse. Go up on the gear. There you go. Now you back in first. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Okay. Now I gotta taste the high don't feel.
Yeah, you got it. And you came back down. As soon as you come up, you hit that brake to come back down. Now you hit the brake. There you go. There you go. Don't let your foot off of that back brake. And that's what you did just now. You got scared when you got in the air. You feel me? you keep your foot.
Come off of this.
Okay, don't let it come
No,
off.
keep it over there. When you get in the air, then you hit it down. It's gonna come back down. Don't take your foot off. There you go. Come on.
Oh shit.
You hear me? Use that finger right there to hold that clutch. Use your index finger to hold the clutch. This one, the first one. Yeah, like that. There you go. You know, when you on that hill, when you give it gas, you can let the clutch go and use the gas. Learn how to wheel and forget how to ride.
That's that bad. You got too excited.
There you go. You're on a hill, so you're gonna have to use that bike gotta go up that hill. So you're gonna have to use your gas. There you go. Yeah, go. There you go. There you go. Dang.
So hold the clutch.
Hold the clutch.
Give it gas.
Cover the back brake always.
Don't step on the back brake right now.
Just cover it. Yeah. Right there. Hit the front brakes. Stop. All right, there you go. You almost there.
That's enough with the clutch.
You almost there. Pop that thing in the air, man. Put that thing up there. There you go. All you needed was a little more gas, and you'd have been up there.
That bitch, that's on.
There you go. Now you know how to get that thing gas. There you go.
See how determined I am to work this bitch. Stop rolling.
Hold the wheel. Hey, put your arm. The steering wheel. Hold it straight. There you go. See, getting there.
Bikes bring bonds, man.
You already know.
Bikes bring bonds.
Damn. Well, I'm gonna have to give me some grippers though.
Some gloves?
Yeah. I got some.
What you got up there, though? How you feeling now? That was a little
I
better.
feel real good about that one. That's what's up.
Ooh,
Y'all put me up
Suzuki.
in the air all kinds of ways.
Look how clean this thing is, man.
All kinds of
Comment down
motherfucking
below.
ways.
Let her know how clean this bike is right now. She getting the subscribers. So, yeah, she gonna be in the comments, y'all.
Hell yeah, y'all. Y'all let me know. Let me know what y'all think, because I don't know. Shit, I'm going off of experts' advice.
Y'all already know.
So-
Keep it out. Look how clean it is, man.
Hell yeah.
This is the last LTZ that was made by Suzuki. 2014. After 2014, they stopped making them.
Stop making.
You hear me? She is the second owner. The person who she brought this bike from was the first owner. He was the original title holder.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah, so
That's what's up.
mine is all the little small scrapes, you know.
Yeah, shit.
None of that could be
Don't pay
replaced.
attention to nothing else. Just pay attention to the project.
It did. Yeah.
I'm trying to make it a project. would do that
Subscribe to her channel. Y'all can find her channel at.
Trucking our way up. Y'all hit me up at Trucking Our Way Up.
You hear me? Subscribe to her channel. She gonna also have the bike on that. She gonna be doing upgrades to the bike and all that type of stuff, y'all. She own 2 big 18 wheelers, man. She gonna put me in one of them things real soon. So stay tuned for that. You already know, man.
Got them keys.
You already know, you hear me? So yeah.
Oh man.
It's a journey, man. It's a journey of just, you know, big things coming, you know. And we all the way in Florida right now. 10 hours away from New Orleans. We left last night and we came. You feel me? Man, bro, we out here.
I mean, it was an all-night trip.
For real.
Damn, I'm gonna do that bitch again.
Remember, cover that brake. You good.
I wonder how she gonna react.
Huh?
I said, I wonder how she gonna react when she falls.
Right. You know that first fall, it don't really be that much when you coming back on the
She in the
wheelie.
grass right now too.
Right.
Damn.
Pop it up when you get in the air. Use that clutch. Don't roll it, pop it. You almost there. You giving me like a 75% vibe. Get to that 900s. You hear me? Hooters. Free bet after game. Then look at it, got LT on it.
What?
The Hooter sign.
That's a sign. LTC.
Facts. There you go. Watch that. Stop taking your foot off of that brake. Yeah.
Did it again.
That's what you don't want to do.
Never take the foot off.
No. Never.
Okay.
But that's what's keeping you on the ground.
That's what's keeping you
Never. Okay.
level. You feel me? If you take your foot off of that, you're gonna come all the way back. The possibility. Yeah.
I'm getting some work in though.
You get it?
Yeah, look at Miss Sherry gonna be mad. Sorry, Miss Sherry.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, just like that. That's how you take your foot off the brake now. Just like that. Just like that. So that's the best thing you want to do. You want to learn how to pop it up, put it down. You don't want to really learn how to wheelie yet.
Yeah.
You just want to know how to pop it up and put it down. Pop it up, put it down. Huh?
You say halfway.
So you all the way down? Go all the way down on it? All right, all the way down. You in first and come halfway up. Right there.
Right there.
Bang.
I'm learning, dog. I done learned a lot within this couple.
Yeah. In 2 days?
Yeah.
Not even.
Not even a full day.
You know what I'm saying?
Not even a full day. We was doing this last night.
You know what I'm saying? That's
Man.
crazy, yo.
I'm determined, boy. I'm ready to ride.
Hey, done. Now you can, now you can add more weight on the back if you want.
Not take the foot off the brake.
Yeah. No, first gear.
Go down. Go down.
Go to first. There you go.
Damn, I almost did it, though.
Oh, he's deaf. Okay. Yeah, and keep that wheel straight, because if you got it sideways when you come down, you can hit one of them. Yeah. We getting there. Already.
Already.
Oh, lady. There you go. There you go.
He got that shit. He got that shit.
You already know, man. When you buy your first bike, dog, this how you feel. This how you feel. Take it in. You did? Yeah, you clean. Big 400, man. I'm already knowing. You hear me?
Boy.
This lit.
Damn. Look at me
This lit.
shaking.
This lit. You hear me? This lit, man. I'm happy for this right here. This is a vibe right here, y'all. This is a
Oh,
real,
man,
like,
this
vibe.
shit's so fun. This shit's so fun.
So you know what you're gonna have to go to next? That big 450 or that big 700?
Oh, shit. You
450.
talking about that 450?
Yeah.
That 450.
Stay away from the 700.
That's the one I was gonna originally get.
Give her this one.
700?
That Raptor.
That was a
Raptor?
660.
Oh, that was a 660.
Yeah, that was a 660.
Them bitches fast, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So what
That
is?
700 is unnecessary power though.
So let me ask you this question. I don't want to sound ignorant to the shit because I really don't know. But what's the levels to it? Like, what's the sizes that?
This is a 400. This perfect learning. Perfect learning. This actually is a little bit above learning.
Yeah.
You feel me? Because he learned on the 350.
is a learning bike.
Yeah, 350 is a learning bike. Now this is a 400, so it's a little above learning, but it's good. This is a perfect
So
start.
this
It's a
for
perfect
adults?
starter bike for
Yeah,
adults.
this for adults.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect starter bike for
Like,
adults,
once you get
and
used
it's a
to
perfect
this,
bike for
and you
adults.
need to upgrade, you go to the 450.
Okay. I'm gonna pop that bitch one time.
Yeah, once you get, cause you gonna want that 450 power once you get used to riding.
Just like me.
Yeah.
Just like me.
Damn.
450 is just enough.
Yeah, once you get to the 450, you ain't gonna need nothing else. That's what I feel like. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feel about that.
Damn.
All these pro, like these people that's going
But what
to
about their
every
weight
moto,
class though? We think about weight class also.
450 where is that?
450 where is it?
450 where is that? If you a big dude,
Yeah.
get on a 700.
If you're a big dude,
Yeah.
right?
If you're not like 700, I mean, if you're not like 400 pounds, you're good on
You
the
good?
450.
You good on the 450?
I'm
Facts.
trying to get it.
Back break, just like that. So that's the learning thing about it. You feel me? You're a little slow.
I gotta get them braces.
Yeah, you feel them.
Yeah,
you hear
I
him.
do feel it.
Yeah,
I
you
feel
can
it.
hear it. You feel me?
That's
all.
what's up.
Yeah, you
I'm
need
proud
brake
of
pads
myself.
for real.
I'm proud of myself. I'm gonna try it one more time.
One more time. That thing really hit, dog. It be hitting. For real. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You came too far to be scared. Came too far. There you go.
You can take your foot.
Take your foot out the brake. That was slowing. That was stopping you from
That's
coming
why
up.
you're not going up. You only put the foot on the brake in the air.
Yeah. Pop that clutch. Pop that clutch. Pop that clutch. She a little bit too excited right now. You hear me? We're gonna get one more in for y'all, man. Stay tuned. Y'all see it right now, raw and uncut, man. Yes, it's a lifestyle, bro. We rented a freaking F-150, drove it from New Orleans all the way to Florida, 10 hours away. We got 10 more hours to go. 10 more hours to go. Back home. There you go. There you go. So I'm saying, and then CC, you missing all this, bro. You could have been out here with me.
Guys, you could have been having fun with us.
About to go out to eat and all that. We about to get on the boat and everything probably. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
I'm gonna let that one be the rap.
Yeah. You feel me? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what's up,
I already
man.
know, man.
That's what's up.
You're better than my sister.
Yeah, that's
She had
crazy.
that bike for like 3 years.
Yeah, she ain't even having it.
I'm finna pop that bitch some more.
Yes.
Y'all tell us what's up, world.
Tell us what's up,
Let
bro.
us know how we did.
You already knew, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, man.
Yeah, that bitch is really a workout.
Stay tuned
Less
as a
than 15
lifestyle.
hours.
You already know that's it right
did all
now.
that.
Stay tuned. I'm back, baby.
Man.
Stay woke, cause if you sleep, they gon' creep. You can't miss them boys coming out your street. Boys coming out your street. And they don't know that me and my peach, we just got some new cages last week. New cages last week. A new cages last week. A new cages last week. Some new cages last week.